Hello friends, welcome to JAcademy. In this video, I'll show you how to do an online programming using a tool called RDPL.it. So first of all, you have to open your Google Chrome and type RDPL.it, and there you go. You got a very nice website, and in this portal, let us see what they are writing. You can code, create, and learn together, and it is free, collaborative in-browser ID to code 50 plus language without spending a second on setup. So once we get this, you have to do the first thing is sign up. So I'll do the sign up, and you can choose your mail ID. So I'm going to choose my mail ID here. So once you choose your mail ID, you are going to get something like this, and we are going to first create a new RDPL. And so you have to do two things. First, you have to select the language in which you want to write the code, and you can see there is a C language, Python, Kotlin, and Ruby, Node.js, JavaScript, Java, C++, HTML, Go, which is Golang, Rust, QBasic, Haskell, and a lot of languages. R is there, Julia is there. So I want to do a programming on Python, and you can write the name here. So I'm going to write my first program. I'm going to create it, and it will take some time for loading depending on the speed of the internet. It's done. So this is your console, and this part is your cell, and here you have the name of your file script, and you can add a file, add a folder. You can have the ones version control, packages, settings, database, and unit test you can do, and this is a environmental variables. So I will just do a very famous program of hello world. So I'm going to write print hello world, welcome to Python programming, and let us run this. So once it's done, I'm going to run it. So when you run, yeah, there you go. You are seeing hello world, welcome to Python programming in the console. And if you want to run the same thing in cell, just you need to write Python, and then name of the script is main.py, and that's all. So here you can do the programming, and you can increase and decrease the width of this editor, and you have this, your output with a console and a cell. So this looks a very cool feature, and I really like it. So that's all guys in this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye bye.